How does the human eye heal itself? Imagine your eye as a tiny, complex machine that has some impressive tricks up its sleeve for healing itself. When you get a small scratch or injury, your eye can often repair itself without you even noticing. But the extent of healing really depends on which part of the eye is hurt and how serious the injury is. Understanding these natural processes helps you appreciate the importance of regular checkups and prompt medical attention when needed. Let's start with the cornea, the clear front surface of your. It's like the windshield of a car protecting the inside. The cornea has 5 layers, each with different healing abilities. The outermost layer, called the epithelium, is the most resilient. If you get a minor scratch from contact lenses or debris, this layer can usually heal within 1 to 2 days. The cells in this layer regenerate quickly, closing the wound and restoring the barrier. Beneath that is Bowman's layer, which provides support but does not regenerate if damaged. Damage here can sometimes lead to longer-term issues. The middle layer, called the stroma, maintains the shape and transparency of your. It can repair minor injuries, but serious damage might need medical intervention. The innermost layer, the endothelium, helps keep the cornea clear by controlling fluid. Unlike the other layers, it has very limited ability to regenerate. Damage to this layer can cause permanent vision problems, often requiring a specialized surgery called endothelial keratoplasty to replace damaged cells. When it comes to the retina, the story is a bit more complicated. Unlike the cornea, the retina's ability to heal itself is very limited. In humans, it cannot regenerate damaged cells easily. However, in some animals like fish and birds, specialized cells called Macular glia can revert to a stem cell-like state and produce new neurons to replace damaged ones. In humans, scientists are exploring ways to activate similar processes. For example, they have identified a gene called ASCL1 that can trigger Macular glia to produce new retinal cells in laboratory settings. In mice, activating this gene has shown some promise in repairing retinal damage, but it is still in early research stages. The goal is to eventually develop treatments that can regenerate lost cells, especially for conditions like age-related macular degeneration, which destroys cone cells responsible for sharp central vision. The optic nerve, which carries visual signals from your eye to your brain, is the most challenging part to heal naturally. Human nerve cells do not regenerate once they are damaged. Currently, there are no approved treatments that can restore lost optic nerve cells. However, researchers are investigating ways to protect these nerve cells from dying and to promote nerve growth. Some promising studies involve drugs like statins, which are usually used to lower cholesterol, showing potential in preventing nerve cell death and encouraging regeneration. Scientists are also exploring how to manipulate DNA sequences that control gene activity related to nerve growth, aiming to find new ways to repair or replace damaged nerve fibers in the future. Knowing how your eye heals emphasizes the importance of quick action after an injury. Minor scratches on the cornea often heal on their own, but deeper injuries or damage to the retina or optic nerve requiring professional care. Regular eye exams are vital because they help detect early signs of damage or disease. During these exams, eye care professionals can monitor how well your is healing and catch problems before they become serious. While the natural healing capacity of the eye is limited in some areas, ongoing research offers hope for future treatments that could restore vision lost to injury or disease. Always consult your eye doctor if you experience any injury or vision changes, and keep up with routine eye examinations to maintain your eye health and preserve your sight.